What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Flipping West Georgia with me, your host, Alhue. And this time we're not flipping, we're keeping this little cute little house. And yeah, so this is a new property that was just recently acquired. And like I said, instead of flipping this one is going to be kept as a rental because we got to expand the portfolio and do mix it up a little bit. That's what we do on this channel. We mix it up a little bit. So let's go inside, check it out, and let me show you what the plans are. And this way you can see the before, see the current condition and everything else. And yeah, let's go inside. Alright guys, as you come in, you can see this is the living room space. Did they turn the power off? Yeah, it looks like the power is off now. So, I ain't got no light. Oh, there we go, we still got power. Anyway, this is the living room space. Just back up a little bit. This is the living room space, and so the current plans for this area is going to take down this wall here. This is a supporting wall, but we're going to be removing this particular wall right here because it really serves no purpose. And we're going to put a cross beam, going to make it flush in the ceiling, and then put the other pillar down here. That way we're going to have like an open concept. So it's going to be living room, little dining area, and if you come over here, you can see this is where the current kitchen is. Obviously, we're not going to leave it that way. We're going to get a whole new kitchen set up in here. And, the washer and dryer was over here. But we're going to kind of just move the kitchen over a little bit. Going to get rid of this wood burning system that they had there. And just kind of open up a door. Going to open up a door here. Because this used to be a door. We're going to open up a door here. Build a deck in the back. But we're going to go in the back, we're going to go around the house and show you around the house. But let's just continue out on down here. So there's 3 bedrooms in here. There's 3 bedrooms. You got this bedroom here. So this is 1 bedroom. We're going to just basically do the, paint, clean it up, do the floors. We're going to do LVP throughout the whole house. LVP is the way to go. And then we come over here to this back room. You got the closet over there. You got these old windows. We're going to be changing out these windows. This one even got a crack in it that I didn't notice, but it's okay. I'm going to put all brand new windows into this house. So this is bedroom number 2, which is a little bit bigger. Then we come over here, and this is bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 is a little bit smaller, but they're 3 nice sized bedrooms for any family. Once again, going to change out the windows, closets over there. Get rid of this shelf because it serves no purpose, really. The doors are in good condition. And this right here is the bathroom. And the bathroom, there had to have been some flooding issues in here at some point because I did go underneath the house and did realize that it's a little bit sunk in, a little bit soft. So we're going to just go underneath the house and have the guys do some, we're going to repair some joists and, just bring the floor back up to level. Really and truly, I'm going to, clean this up, throw some tiles over here, new vanity, new toilet, and, just new piece here, new lighting throughout the whole house. I mean, that's really the main plan. The whole ceiling, we're gonna, scrape the ceilings, make them flat, different, gonna have different light fixtures throughout the entire house. It's gonna be completely, this is gonna be a completely different place. Obviously, this fake fireplace, this is not in place. It's just a fake fireplace that's gonna go. And the big plans that we have here. So currently, this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. So the big plans that we have here, which I did this with one of my other properties, is this space here. So this is the garage. And what we're gonna do is you can see the garage drops down like about 1 feet. So we're gonna actually level this out, level this area out. We'll put 2 windows here, close this in. We're gonna close it all in. We're gonna put a full bathroom right here. So just like I did in one of the other properties, gonna put a standing shower and a toilet, full bathroom in here, and a little vanity. And then we're gonna have a little closet over here on this side to come. And you know, once we do that, that's gonna turn this place into a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, which is gonna really bump the value. And you know, that's really the way you wanna go. You wanna be able to manipulate all the spaces in any property that you acquire. All these things right here, these are all gonna be moved out. This is the old owner. He's gonna be moving these things out. So this area will be cleared out. So let's go outside. You know, it's gonna go around the house, go around the property, and show you guys what's going on. So if we step back here, guys, you can see one of the main buying points for this house was the fact that it has a metal roof. Now, when you get a house with a metal roof, that's a big plus because obviously it's a good roof. You're not going to spend no money on your roof. It's not going to get damaged at all. So that was a big plus. We're going to be getting rid of these pillars here. These pillars, they're not doing anything, so we're going to be getting rid of these. Get them out of here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna get all those pillars out of here. And yeah, the garage you can see over there, that's gonna all be closed in. And you know, we're gonna do some siding over there. The house is gonna be painted. I'm gonna paint the house white and probably paint all the trims white to just give it a nice updated modern look. If we come around this side, you can see this is where gonna put 2 windows. Gonna put 2 windows here, so the bed could be in the middle. Come around the back. So this is the backyard area, and you can see right here where they had. You can see right here where they had the wood burning stove. That is going to be removed, and gonna build a deck all the way out here. So the deck is gonna be about a 12 by 10 deck. So from about here to about over here, nice little deck in the backyard for, you know, whoever is occupying the house. And yeah, you know, like I said, one of the big pluses about this house is the fact that it's all brick, all 4-sided brick, which is a big plus. And we're gonna paint that all. It's gonna be all white, and gonna have brand new HVAC put into this house because right now they have no HVAC, and gonna have all brand new electricity throughout the entire house because it has the old bulb type fuses. But if you look back here, this is right by the tree line. Right by the tree line is where the property pretty much stops, at the tree line. There is this carport here. Not really sure what the plans are gonna be for this yet. Probably gonna leave it. But yeah, you know, there's some treasures in there, of which, you know, I'll go through the treasures once the old owner moves everything out. He's gonna leave a few things. That's what the beauty of some of these houses, you know, you get to get some treasures. But I mean, you know, there's a little shed right there, and then you got the carport here, which is a plus and stuff. But yeah, so that's it. Let's you know, go back to the front. So as you guys can see, you know, the whole front yard is very spacious. The front yard, you can look, you know, right alongside this fence right here. right along that fence, which is gonna come down because that fence looks real shaky, and then go straight around, straight around, straight around. All these tree lines are where the property ends, but it's a nice, let me go over here in the shade. So yeah guys, so you know, it's a nice layout. The area is a very nice area, and you know, rental for this particular property is very profitable, and yeah, you know, I'm excited to get this project on the way. I'm hoping that the guys could really push this one forward, get this done in you know, month and a half. That's really pushing them, but you know, really pushing forward for this one. But yeah, I mean, that's really it for now. I will update you guys as this project takes way and it starts to progress. But you know, let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. You know, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And yeah guys, and so until the next time guys, peace. What's up guys? Am I in the free? Yes. Okay. The garage. But back. I'll talk to you. I'll see you then.